This day has come. You did ask. You thought Timon would be frightened and won't do it. But Timon is not like that. Here's the whole story. Watch it, please. We tried our best. Location. The parking lot, you know, is not suitable. There are many people and birds. Let's think. An abandoned building where we shot our video with a trampoline. No, there's no electricity. A 40-meter tower? Too high and too far. Holy. Where then? Yes, meet the new location, away from people. But we needed a generator and a ladder. Also some preparation and cleaning of the set and all that stuff. And to be honest, that wasn't so easy. That took like 3 hours. Really, guys, we were so tired, but we've done that. The moment of truth. Well, guys, what are your bets? Do you think I still have this red car? By the way, just in case, we unloaded all the gas from the car. Ready? Let's do that. Only I still have that time to change my mind. Oh my god! My car is still alive! Holy! Unbelievable! It's alive. It's just alive. I am so happy. Holy. Have you seen that? Have you seen that? Only a small burn. It was a real hot rain. Guys, incredible. How could I be so afraid to make this video? But I did it. Holy. Even the rubber parts are intact. Oh man. Only small burn. Only small burn. And a lot of copper that needs to be cleaned. Oh man. And as you see, I still can't drive my car, which means new videos with it. Look at this house and the ground. Here all the copper I used to have. Guys, I will show in my next video the most crazy unusual ideas for my next experiments, so be sure to share your thoughts. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care.